How much are we betting?
Nothing.
If it's done before March 1st, I'll give you an extra $5,000.
Before March 1st.
I'll tell you what, if you get it done before February 1st, I'll give you an extra 10,000 bucks.
All right.
Deal?
No.
What's up, everybody? In today's video, I'm gonna walk you through how we start a flip, how we lay out a flip, how we get going, how we make money in real estate. If you're brand new to real estate and you wanna start investing, make sure you subscribe, make sure you follow. You'll get several updates on this particular property right here. It's actually the first property that I flipped in Kansas. I bought some rentals in the okay part of Kansas, but we're gonna walk you through this whole property. And if you're brand new to real estate and you're trying to get started, make sure you give us a follow, make sure you subscribe, because guess what? I started 20 years ago with one property, now I own over 350 properties, and it starts with just one. So if you're like, man, I don't know how to get started, just start with one. Fourplex, whatever. We also have a free mastermind group on the Millionaire Mentorship Real Estate Investing on Facebook. You can join that for free. We put a lot of free content there. You go to my website, you get free content there. We also have a coaching program. If you're interested, click the link in the bio and you can schedule a free call and find out exactly how we do the things that we do. So let's talk about the negatives here. The negative on this property right here is that we have a one-car garage. So that's important to know when you're flipping real estate, that you know what you're gonna be facing when you try to sell it. Now, when you look around, you go, okay, they've got a one-car garage over here, but they're probably not the nicest house. These guys have got a three-car garage. This house has been flipped over here. How are we gonna deal with the negative? One of the suggestions from the realtors who sold me the property was build a bigger garage. That is just something that's gonna help me sell the property, and it's gonna cost me more. Like if I was to go and rebuild a new garage, number one, I'd have a hell of a time with the city. Number two, it's gonna cost a lot of money. Their suggestion was go and take away living space and make it into garage space. You never, ever, ever, ever do that in a flip because you're actually taking away money out of your pocket. But what do I have here? I've got a big piece of land right here. So I would do a double driveway. So we could basically make our driveway come all the way out to here, get rid of some of this landscaping here, and then we're gonna be able to solve that problem. They're not gonna be able to park in their garage. They'll be able to park one of their cars in their garage, but we'll have enough parking space so that they're not having to park out on the street. Now we'll walk you through the property and we're gonna talk to our guys again because they forgot what we told them in terms of laying out the property. What's up, Maynard? Let's give Maynard the microphone.
How are we gonna do drywall paint and all this stuff if we take the risk to rain?
Show me the leak. This is the first floor, dude. This is the bathroom.
No, that's not a bathroom.
That's the bathroom.
It's on the edge where the shingles are damaged.
You wanna make a bet?
How much? The only thing there's is the
Cut it
laundry
open
room.
right now. Let's
No.
cut it open right now.
It's being mowed. It's mowed.
Let's cut it. What's above here? There's a bathroom right above here.
No, the laundry room.
Yeah.
That room.
Yeah, there's
but
water.
I'm telling you because
How much are we
already-
betting on camera
No,
right now?
No,
How much are we
I
betting?
told you.
How much are we
You
betting on
didn't
camera
wanna
right
do it.
now? How much are we betting?
Nothing.
What's above there? Is that a pipe?
The pipe, yeah, but I mean, if it was the pipe, it won't produce that much.
He's still
damage.
sticking to the story. It's a pipe, dude.
And
He's still sticking to the
no, I won't stick it because there's shingles damage upstairs.
Are we upstairs right now?
No, but you can.
But
take
you,
a
okay,
look.
so you just pointed this thing out, and you said this is coming from the shingles from the outside. All right,
Right.
so I'm glad we got this on video. I'm glad we solved the roof issue. Okay, so first thing is you were asking about this, right?
Yes.
This goes out, but you're saving these. Yeah.
You want me to save the cabinet?
Save the
Yes.
cabinets.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. All right, where's the other leaks in this roof?
No, there's no other leak.
So we don't need to do the roof right now. I want to find some more roof leaks because I already checked this one. The roof's pretty solid on here. I wasn't even going to replace it. So let's walk through this house again, Maynard. That was a good one. That's going to be a good TikTok right there. It's okay. I still love you, man. So what are we doing over here?
Nothing as far as I remember.
Right.
We're not going to do anything.
Nothing. But
just
we're gonna
change the tile. That's what you told
right.
me.
Change the tile. On the only thing that we're changing is the master's getting tweaked pretty good. Okay, so you guys are doing all demo now, so we need to get.
Yeah.
Oh, I wanted to save that bathtub.
You told me to remove it.
No, I wanted to save that.
No, you told me to remove it that way.
Man. Wouldn't it be easier just to take it out versus cut it?
That's what they're doing right now. They're taking the tile out.
You're gonna cut yourself on that, dude. Be
Yeah.
careful. I know we've laid this out a bunch of times, and we're putting like the fridge right here. How much can we sell this on Facebook Marketplace for?
$250, $300.
Right, you want to split it?
No, I mean, yeah, I mean, I can put it on. Yeah.
Put that on Facebook Marketplace. Put that on Facebook Marketplace.
So
This is
if
how
we-
much are these brand new?
I can tell you 6, 7. 8, 9, something like that.
How much is this at Home
that's,
Depot?
That's even more than 800 bucks.
1,600. Let's just see, guys, so we can see this. The reason I'm explaining this to everybody is you can understand why the decisions I'm making here. 2,500 bucks. So you should put this on Facebook Marketplace for $600. So this is called a gas cooktop,
Gas
right?
cooktop, yes.
How much is that?
Almost 1,000.
Final question. How much is a range combo with a nice drop-down hood vent that looks expensive? Like something that we're gonna get in here, we'll get like the vent back here, that nice little thing. We're probably gonna spend close to $1,000 on a rental property. I'm like 400 bucks, 500 bucks, okay? We got $1,000 into this drop-down vent hood. How much do you think that's gonna cost?
The nice is going to be $500-$600.
$500-600 bucks, probably in there between $300 to $600. We turned it into 1,400 bucks. Can we use this in here? It's kind of nice, but that ain't gonna work in a $1 million flip. They're gonna want something new. So you can sell this easily on Facebook Marketplace for $500. You can put this on for $200. You can put this whole set for 800 bucks, list it individually, and we'll split it down the middle. You get to make half, I get to put some money in my pocket. He might sell it for 800 and tell me he only sold it for 600, then he made an extra 200, right?
Yeah.
Fridge is going here, range is going here, shelves here, floating shelves here. We're building it out like this, and this comes to here. Right between here, this is our wall right here, okay?
Probably there, yes.
Right here, and you're gonna match it up to here. This is gonna be a bathroom area here and a washer dryer back there. Yeah, so you guys got a lot of demo to do, huh? But you can use my dump trailer for all this You can borrow it for now, for this job.
Perfect.
So you can hold on to it. You're not gonna trash it like Mario did. Lock it up at night.
If it is not right here, it's gonna be in my house.
All right, so you're putting a wall from here to this line right here. So it's gonna come out like boom, 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 boom. How many tools have you got lost over the years?
On money or in tools?
Tools. How many air compressors?
Like 6,
How many generators?
3,
How many paint sprayers?
like 10.
How many concrete saws?
Oh, yours, that's one.
How many augers?
Yours, that's one.
One. All right, so one auger, mine.
What was all taken in armor last time, Maynard?
An auger.
My tile saw, like 6 tile saws between here and Vegas.
Oh, 6 tile saws.
Yeah.
Okay.
My tile saw,
What
my
else has been-
spray gun, the 2 compressors, they were small, and the 2 nail guns.
Let's
Yeah.
go through that in cost.
Generators, it was like $1,000 each.
How many generators have you lost?
6,
How many air compressors have you lost?
probably like 350.
350. How many?
So 4?
4?
Yeah, so it'll be like 1,500.
How many nail guns?
Oh, many.
Like 10?
Yeah.
How many nail guns?
It's like 10, it'll be like $1,000. 3,500, and the nails, it'll be another 1,000.
How much are the tile saws? 250 bucks?
No, $400.
$400?
Yeah.
How many tile saws have you lost?
4.
Where have you had your most stuff stolen from?
Oh, over in New Orleans.
Here is okay?
Here's okay.
Vegas pretty bad?
Vegas is bad. Spray painters,
About 300 bucks.
they cost $1,500 each.
Oh,
Yeah, it'll be 6, so it'll be 3, 4, 9,000.
$9,000 and okay. What other types of tools have you got lost?
Yeah, that's just minimum.
So
After that,
add another 10 grand on and just BS.
probably.
We're down like 40,000 in tools. Those guys, what do you think they made for that amount of equipment? Probably divide that by 10, about 3,100 bucks. I tell them all the time, chain your stuff up, lock your stuff up, because the minute you're not looking, somebody else is. How many furnaces have I lost?
Oh, a lot.
Yeah, it's just part
In
of the...
every single house, probably twice, yeah.
Yeah, it happens. We're gonna clean this up and we're gonna paint this thing.
Yep.
We're gonna paint the exterior, we're gonna paint the interior, we're gonna fix this whole thing up. Comment below, how long do you think it's gonna take on this job? How long do you say?
3 months.
3 months, we started today basically.
Yeah.
By December 30th.
February 30th.
He loves that day, dude. He's never getting there. He's like, yeah, February 30th,
There you
I'll be
go.
done. Oh, so by March 1st, you're gonna be done with this job.
Yes. I probably think that I'll finish before that.
Before?
Yes.
Okay, if you do before, how much is the total bid on this job?
48.8.
So if it's done before March 1st, I'll give you an extra $5,000.
Before March 1st.
Okay, now if it's done after March 1st, for each week after March 1st, $1,000
Each week.
each week. Okay, $5,000. Is that a fair deal? I let him set his timeline. I'll tell you what, if you get it done before February 1st, I'll give you an extra $10,000.
All right.
Deal?
No.
You don't want the 10? You don't think it's gonna happen?
Well, no.
This is a nice house for even me to be working on, right? Do we normally do really nice houses like this?
No.
How many times have we walked this house, Ross? 4 or 5. Normally on like other stuff, I'm not gonna take it as serious. $850,000 house, potentially 600 by the time we're done, because just the market going like this. Remember what I said with all these light fixtures?
Yes.
The details are gonna matter in this house. That's why, like, if this had 2-car garage, maybe it's $1 million house. I'm on an $850,000 house, all that stuff wasn't considered. Okay, Maynard, we gotta go downstairs to the basement now. This area here can remain just a guy's tool area, just the way it is. So my question is, do we sell this on OfferUp or do we keep this for the buyer? I think we keep it. You know, this is a certain person that is gonna be buying this. Otherwise, I think get rid of it. Here's the way I see it. If we can make an extra couple $1,000 for posting some ads, they're already gonna be here. What brand is this? Sears. Sears still in business? Furnace. Am I gonna replace this, Maynard?
No, I don't think so.
Why?
Because it's still good.
Ross, if you're buying this house, do you care if it's got a new furnace? If you're a new home buyer? Okay, if the inspection comes back and it says furnace is 25 years old.
Oh, I'm pushing that issue big time.
You're pushing that issue. 850, they might be pushing that issue. We might just have to service it, and it looks like it's been excellently maintained. Guys, should we sell this on OfferUp? How much do you think we'll get for this? What the hell? Is this a bullet loader? This is for loading bullets.
Yeah.
That's for loading bullets, right?
Yes, it is.
How much do you guys think I'm gonna sell this for? What was acquisition cost? $325. Rehab budget was
48,
48 plus,
50.
plus 5, right?
Mhm.
So 53. How much do you think materials are gonna cost in this, Maynard?
It all depends on Celeste, but I'm calculating like 25.
I think it's probably gonna be $100,000 total, all in, maybe a little bit more, plus interest on the loan. So let's say we're in this 125. 125 plus 325 is 450. Do you think we could sell this thing for $600,000?
Oh, big time, yeah.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something. This is a trusted guy. I give him a lot of hard times because he does do some silly things every once in a while, but he's been loyal. Did you just get your first house?
I did a couple months ago.
Okay.
Yeah.
How much did I charge you for the down payment?
Nothing.
Is it a brand new house?
It looks like yes.
He put in 15 years of work with me. I hope that he continues to work with me and continues to do a good job. And I hope we both make a lot of money in this house. I hope he gets the $5,000 bonus. If you're getting started in flipping and you're trying to look to hire contractors, Maynard, what would you say the reason that you would like to work with me?
Firstly, it's firstly, obviously, we got to make money, but we're friends.
Right.
We're friends since many years ago. To me, is that the most important thing?
Right. You feel like I treat you fair?
Oh yeah.
Have I ever yelled at you?
A couple times, but I mean, I can say that it's been my fault or some things that I did. So
I try to get along. The point is, you try to be consistent. You always let these guys know. He always, hey, do we have another job? And what do I always say?
don't worry, I always have job for you.
All right, guys, if you're looking to get started investing, if you're looking to find guys, go to job sites, try to find people. That's why we don't look like a job site right now. The neighbor's gonna stop by. Are you gonna let them in the house?
No.
City officials come by. You gonna let them in the house?
If they don't have credentials, I won't.
If they have a warrant, you let them in the house?
We all have to.
Right, all right. Peace!